install your inverter, you will need to have the proper length and size cables, fuse or circuit breaker, mounting screws, grommets, and sheathing. Powerdrive inverters come equipped with a set of properly sized cables. However, they may not be long enough to reach the installation location. Measure the length from the battery to where you will install the inverter to determine the cable length. Use the thickest stranded insulated cable available in the shortest length possible. Quality cabling is available in Powerdrive installation kits, welding shops, or professional electrical supply stores. Refer to your instruction manual and use the cabling chart to determine the optimum gauge needed. You will also need a fuse on the positive cable run as close to the battery as possible. For example, a 3000 watt inverter would need a 300 amp fuse or circuit breaker in line to allow the proper amperage through to the inverter. The fuse or circuit breaker protects the positive cable in the event of damage to the cable shielding. As an added precaution, when routing cables through openings in your vehicle, make sure the openings have a rubber grommet or sheathing to protect the cable. For proper fuse amperage that will be needed for your inverter, refer to your installation instructions. You will then need mounting screws or other means of securing your inverter into your cab. You are now ready to install your inverter.